Hello everyone, it's Elle. Before I share my Walmart haul, I wanted to show how much Walmart has stepped up their decor game for 2024. There are some really cute pieces that you can find if you're on a budget or if you just like the decor in general. You can scan that QV. Stop shopping. The rug here on this display is really nice. So for this particular Walmart trip, I went searching for a replacement wall microwave for my kitchen, and I think I found one. This is by Hamilton Beach, and it's only $77. So I'm gonna take it home and see if it can work out, if it fits. Because I ended up doing a haul, I also wanted to highlight some of the items that really stood out to me in Walmart, like these throw pillows by Better Homes and Gardens, which is the higher upscale brand in Walmart, are going for $14 for a set. I think that's a really good deal. So the decor piece that I really fell in love with at Walmart are these blue and white plates. They are stunning and they come in different patterns. And look at this. These are on sale for $5.98. I think that they are fabulous. Honestly, I may have to go back and get these because it gives me so much inspiration from Gwyneth Paltrow's kitchen when she did her home tour for AD. And I just think this is such a good deal. And look at how many different patterns. So if I ever change around my kitchen color, I'll probably do it where it matches these plates because you draw inspiration from pieces. And this is definitely an inspirational piece. So I have a favorite place at Walmart, and it's their outdoor section. I have found some gems over the years in their outdoor section, from rugs to planters, even to the patio furniture. I think they have like some of the best deals. So this is probably going to be for another video, but I just wanted to highlight some of the planters that they have that are really nice and really good prices. I truly hope you guys are doing great today. So I have a small Walmart haul for you guys. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So this little area here in my kitchen, I guess it's meant to be a coffee station. However, no one in our family drinks coffee. So I decided to keep my plates and decorative items over here in this little corner. I really don't like to keep too many appliances out other than the toaster because it is used daily. So I bought a few pieces from Walmart during this haul, and I'm just gonna place it on here. So I picked up this succulent plant. Now it says $10 on the sticker, but when I got up to the register, it scanned out for $6.97. So that was a real score. I think it's called a flapjack plant, I think, because of the shape of the leaves, if I'm not mistaken. I'll find the name and put it down below. I'm just going to transfer it into this Better Homes and Garden planter that I got. It was $8.97 from Walmart, and I thought it was like really cute for the kitchen, this particular area here. I love the Art Deco look to it. These time and table mugs really caught my eye, so I brought home 4 of them, and I thought it would make a really good addition to my kitchen. Mugs are actually stoneware, and they feel really durable, so I think they're gonna last a long time. So another thing I got is this Elle coffee mug. Yeah, this is my little mug. I don't drink coffee, but I think everyone will know that this is my cup. That doesn't stop people from using my stuff anyway. But yeah, my name is Leslie. But yeah, I go by Elle because all of my names start with an L. So anyway, yeah, I got this black and white mug. I thought it was really cute for my kitchen. It's a monogram. It's by Time and Table. They make some really nice decor, and it's sold in Walmart. These forks here, they're by Mainstay, and it's a 20-piece Armato flatware set, and it has this hammered look here. This was only $10, and I thought it was really pretty for 10 bucks, right? So 20 pieces, you can do a really nice table setting. But to be honest with you, these are gonna be my everyday forks. Forks in my home, they disappear. And for my kitties, I have little kitties. I don't know, I said this before on the channel, I think my kids throw away the forks when they're throwing away, scraping out their plates, or if they use a paper plate, they will throw away my utensils. I have to replenish. I do buy plastic utensils, but sometimes you want your kids to dine and have a, use a real fork sometimes, or get accustomed to using real flatware. So yeah, I did pick this up. This is the Armato. So the style of it is called Armato, and they have a lot to choose from in Walmart. So it's essential for the kitchen, and serves for, and yeah, this is it right here. Got this candle right here, and not only does it look really nice, it smells delicious. Okay, so there was a lady and I in the aisle, and we were looking at candles, and these were on the bottom part, right? So I decided that I would bend all the way down and pick it up, and I can smell it before it even opened. I opened the jar and I showed her this candle, and she decided that she was going to get it too. It's by Magnolia. The scent of it is Magnolia Daylily. It's by Better Homes and Garden. Highly fragrant premium wax blend. It just has one wick inside. It's citrus, lemon, magnolia petals, greens, lilies, jasmine, musk scent. It's sweet and smoky or savory. It's definitely a beautiful blend. I love when you have a candle and you don't have to light it to smell it. But yeah, this is it here. I got these matches from Walmart. I couldn't resist. They are so pretty. I don't know, I just love these little knickknacks, but these serve a purpose. They do, light a candle if you need it. I think it makes a nice coffee table topper, and with the candle, I think it looks really cool together. This was $6 at Walmart, or $5.88 I think at Walmart. So it comes with the sulfur on the back, so I also got this Mainstay dinner plate set. It's 4. I love the pattern. Of course, it's going to be black and white. For me, I love this pattern. I think it makes such a statement, decorative statement in your kitchen. These are dishes that you keep out. I don't necessarily keep it in a place setting, but I do keep them out on the counter, and I'll show you in a second what I do with them. It brings like kitchen decor, without being obvious, without having to do too much. I think this is really cool, and it was only $10 for 4. So these are by Mainstay as well. It's $9.99 for 4 plates, and they're different patterns. I love these, and if I ever wanted to do a decorative wall or just have a plate collection, these are a perfect set. So other essential pieces that I picked up for my kitchen are these Mainstay products, and this is a soap dispenser right here. It's ceramic. It comes with the little sponge, and it was only $6.97. Black. I love the aesthetic of it, but keep in mind it is ceramic, so if you're putting it on a slippery spot, it will fall and break. So be careful with that. They do come in other colors. pot holders in my kitchen disappear or they get dirty, dingy really quickly. So I always pick up a set from Walmart, and I buy the inexpensive brand because I'm always replacing them. This is a kitchen set. It was only $6. It comes with one oven mitt, two pot holders, two terry cloth towels. I wish it was in black, but hey, it is what it is. That's it there. So these are like essential items for the kitchen. And I did end up getting the microwave. This was from Hamilton Beach and $77 at Walmart. Here are these two terracotta vases that I picked up from Walmart. They're about $6.88 a piece. You guys know I love me a nice little vase or vessel, so I couldn't resist these two. I'm gonna put these on my built-ins. You can see my built-ins. I don't know where it's gonna show up in the video, on the side of me, whether the left or the right, but you can see a little bit of it. And I think when you stack those coffee table books or your books and you put one on top, another one on top, they really make a little subtle, nice little statement. Not too subtle, right? And you can always put like a stem or something, a magnolia stem, or you can just leave it as is. $6.88 for these, appropriately priced. Has this great little texture going on here. I really love these pieces. Oh, is it me you're looking for? It wouldn't be a haul unless Elle did a, vase, didn't buy a vase or two, okay? I am redundant with my decor because I love what I love. So on the topic of vases, here is a Pottery Barn dupe from Walmart. And is this the Mainstay ceramic vase? This is by Mainstay. And you know the famous Joshua vase that Pottery Barn carries. It has another loop here. It has about 3 or 4, I'm not sure, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4 for the Pottery Barn, right? You see it right here, the comparison. And $12.88 compared to anywhere from $98 to $200 at Pottery Barn. I think this was a great dupe. And guess what? You can like kind of rustic this vase up if you want. Just get a little bit of water and some concrete, which costs about $4, and a little bag of concrete, or even flour, or dirt, and you can just put it on there and you got yourself the Pottery Barn famous vase going on here for the discounted price. By the time you get all your products, dirt will cost you nothing or whatever. A little bit of flour you probably already have. You bake it on, glue it on, pat it on, or whatever the case may be. You kind of want to sand it down a little bit and pat that flour or cement in there. But you could do your own little DIY, and it was cheap for $12.88. Here is the Pottery Barn dupe. Right next to me is a pillow, Better Homes and Garden pillow that I got, and this was $16. Yeah, you can see my surrounding pillows are this black and cream, black, white, cream colors. It's really good to help change around your decor, especially if you can't change the interior, like break down walls and do everything. Decor is really a great way to do something different in your home that's not too costly. So I'm actually not thinking about using this pillow in this room. I'm gonna put this into my lounge area. It feels really nice, and look, you can do either side, so it does blend in really nice here. Look, no matter what side I put it on. I don't like to pay a lot for pillows because now that pillow covers are so readily available on Amazon and other sites, I'm like, what's the sense of paying like a lot of money for pillows? So I think the top that we should really pay for pillows these days is about $30, unless you really want to have them. I've paid $80 for one pillow. Like this one right here, this was only $7, $6.88. And I really like the feel of it. It's like a linen feel and it has texture, and they go together, right? So in another area of my house, I'll be putting these together. I did buy 4 of these, and I like these because this one here, because you can always put a cover over it and change the color if you need a small pillow for another area. Pillows I got from Walmart. They're the Better Homes and Gardens brand, and they were so cheap. They were actually $14.88 at Walmart, and yeah. So I did a Target haul like about 2 weeks ago for you guys, and they had something very similar to this, and I had mentioned that I'm going to take them back because when I went to Walmart, I saw these and I said, you know what, I'm getting 2 pillows for less than the cost of one. It's the same linen look, and it has better fraying than the actual ones that I got from Target. So these are definitely a keeper. 2 pillows for $7 each. Especially the Better Homes and Gardens brand, that's usually more expensive, is the higher end brand in Walmart. I think this was a really good price. So if you look, I think that really makes really nice statement. You know, all 3 of these, I think they complement each other here. So I got these sheet grippers right here, and they were 4 pieces, $5 for 4 pieces, and holds bed sheets in place. Adjustable, fits most sheets. I have a king size bed. My sheets don't stay on. You can make a little movement, pop, poof, they just come off. I'm sick of fighting with it. I've tried big rubber bands. I bought some gadgets from Amazon, so I'm hoping, and that didn't work for me. The gadgets that I bought from Amazon didn't work, so I'm hoping that these work. I have my receipt, so if it doesn't, I'll just put it back in the package and take it back. And that is the conclusion of my haul. Thanks for watching. Happy Black History Month, and I will see you soon.